Hi, this is J. Marie Pibangay. Here, I'm gonna present to you the morphology tree diagram. First, let's define what is morphology tree diagram. Morphology trees or tree diagrams represents the morphological structure of the words. They help us understand how words are formed and how different morphemes combine to create words. If you have simple words that consist of one morpheme, then you wouldn't need a tree to represent it. But if you have complex words, which means more than two or more morphemes, then you can draw a tree. For example, let's have the word indestructibly. Indestructibly, it is an adverb which means in a way that is impossible to destroy or not able to be destroyed. Example sentence: Marie has always been indestructibly loyal to her close friends. Actually, there are two different approaches in making morphology trees. Some people use bottom-to-top approach, and some people do top-to-bottom approach. Nevertheless, I'm gonna use these two approaches in making three diagrams for the word indestructibly. First, I'll start with this bottom-to-top approach, in which the structure started from the bottom to the top. I will start with the word destruct, which is a verb, and the suffix able that can now construct a word destructible, which is an adjective. Now I already have the word indestructible, and if I had a prefix in, I can form a new word which is indestructible. Added another suffix ly, we can finally have the word indestructibly, and now it becomes an adverb. So this is how it's structured if we use the bottom to top approach. Now let's move on to the top to bottom approach, in which I will use the same word indestructibly. Starting from the top, from the word indestructibly, I then will divide the word so that we can construct indestructible word in the suffix ly. To continue, we broke down the indestructible word into its prefix in and destructible word, which is an adjective. Now lastly, we divide the word destructible to its root word destruct and its suffix able, and that's the end of the process of the top to the bottom approach. To conclude, the word indestructibly has four morphemes: the prefix in, the root word destruct, the suffix able, and another suffix ly. Without a doubt, I can say that it's easy to identify morphemes if you knew how to use the morphology tree diagrams, which you can either use the bottom to top approach and the top to bottom approach. That would be all. Thank you for watching.